Vipin, profit v/s gain. Profit is earned from routine business activities like selling goods and providing services. It is repetitive in nature. Nancy, and what is the gain? Vipin, gain is earned by selling non-business items like business assets. Nancy, example, please. Vipin, suppose you have a chocolate business. You sell chocolates costing 9,000 for 10,000 and a car costing 40,000 for 60,000. Business activity, sale of chocolate. Sale price 10,000. Less cost 9,000. Equals 2 profit 1,000. Non-business activity, sale of car. Sale price 60,000. Less cost 40,000. Equals TO gain 20,000. Profit 1,000 is the profit earned from the central business activity of selling chocolates. Gain 20,000 from selling a car, which is not a routine business.